Welcome back to another tool deal video here at homedepot.com. And this time again is going to be on a pro special buy of the week. I'm actually surprised that they're doing a second week in a row having tool deals. I will have a link down in the description below. That'll take you right to this page and you can certainly go and check them all out. Now they do have some many different items available between tools as well as tankless water heaters. And if you happen to be a plumber watching, they have a lot of Ridgid plumbing tools as well at deep discounts. So if you happen to be in the market for tankless water heater or regular water heaters, they have some pretty decent discounts on these as well. And I'll just scroll on down until we get to some plumbing tools. So for you plumbers, you might want to check out these Ridgid tools that they have this week, where you're saving like 60% on many of these different tools. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're still pricey, but Ridgid makes awesome plumbing tools for the professionals. So definitely worth checking out at these savings. And I'll just continue on down. So they do have the tankless water heaters, as well as down below the tools, they have mini splits. So if you happen to be in the market for mini splits, might be a good option to check out as well. All right, to start out, they have the Milwaukee. They have 4 different sets here for the $269 price. And these are basically the same deals that they had in the store and online with the 2 6 amp hour high output batteries, the charger. You get an option of a free tool. Now that deal I think has ended or it's coming to an end at the end of the month. These are going to be better deals here today where you're saving an additional $30 on any of these options you would go for, whether it's the oscillating tool, which is going to be the brush model, the heat gun, the recip saw, or the rocket light. All the same price there today, or actually for this week, which is going to be good until Sunday at the end of the week here. So you do have all week to capture them as long as they still have them in stock. All right, next up is going to be the Milwaukee M18 on the Rocket Light with one 5 amp hour battery for $260, saving $139. That's 35% off. But you would be better off going with that kit I just showed with the 2 high output 6 amp hour batteries for only $9 more. And they have for $238, they have the barrel grip jigsaw, the M18 with one 5 amp hour battery for the $238, saving $140. That's 37% off. Then they have the M18 of the DA polisher with 2 of the 6 amp hour high output batteries and the charger and the bag for the $429, saving $150. It's 26% off. And they did bring back a good deal from Milwaukee on the pack out radio with the orbital recip saw for the $379, saving $269. That's 42% off. And they did bring back a deal on the Ridgid 2 amp hour battery in the charger for the $34, saving $85. That's 71% off. And I have a feeling we'll probably start seeing more Ridgid deals even after this week, since they just came out with a Nuke series of Ridgid tools. And I don't know if you happen to check them out online as far as people posting videos on the performance of the new Nuke tools. Pretty impressive performance, actually, especially on the Stealth series of the hydraulic impact driver. Is actually faster and quieter than the DeWalt and Milwaukee hydraulic impacts. All right, so next up it's going to be on the Ridgid 6.5-inch circular saw with a 4 amp hour battery charger for the $179, saving $40. It's 18% off. And here is a decent deal on the 2 batteries, which is a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and the charger for the $72, saving $77. It's 52% off. Then they have an 8 tool combo kit with a 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour, and the charger, couple bags for the $299, saving $300. That's 50% off. That's a decent deal on that one. And then they have the Ryobi 3/8 impact wrench with a 4 amp hour battery for the $99, saving almost $114. 54% off. That is a good deal. And then they have the Milwaukee on the hammer drill with 3 5 amp hour batteries, a charger for the $299, saving $190. 39% off. We've seen this deal many times. And then they brought back the deal on the one and done kit from Ryobi on the 12 tool combo kit for $629, saving $200, 24% off. And this is the same price we saw last week. They have had better deals on it, priced at around $500. Next up is the Ryobi file sander kit. It's the 18-inch one by 1/2 inch. It has 3 batteries, which is going to be a good deal at $169. They say it's saving $312, which is crazy. That's 65% off, but it does have 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and 1 2 amp hour one. So it is a good deal at $169. And they brought back a deal on the DeWalt on the corded 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for the $399, saving $230. 37% off. This is the same deal pricing they have over at Lowe's currently. It is a good price for this saw. This is the one that does not have the cut line system, just so you're aware of that. This is the saw that I do have, and I do recommend it. But obviously, I do prefer having a cut line system like I had previously before I lost the saw in the hurricane. it was definitely nice to be able to line up the cuts using that cut line. All right, next up, they brought back the deal on the 20-volt DeWalt the copper swage tool for $249, saving $350, 58% off. And here's a decent deal from DeWalt on the 20-volt drywall cutout tool with the 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger for the $199, saving $199. That's 50% off. This is going to be like the same deal we saw during the holiday time with that exact battery kit and getting an option of a free tool. So it's good to see it today, or this week actually. So not a bad deal at all for $199. And then next up is the recip saw from DeWalt, the 20-volt one with one 5 amp hour battery in the charger for $209, saving $229, 52% off. Again, I think this was the recip saw that we saw as a free item for that $199 kit back in the holiday times. So you are getting one less battery for additional $10. And they brought back a deal on the Rocket Light with the pack out light for the $194, saving $145. That's 43% off. It is a good deal on it. The Rocket Light by itself is priced around that. So not a bad deal at all, especially that pack out light is I think around $130, $140. So decent savings on that one. And next up is a straight die grinder. It's the M12 one with the M12 battery for $182, saving $107, 37% off. And this is a 2 amp hour battery that it comes with. And then next up is the M12 soldering iron with a 2 amp hour battery for $103, saving $85, 45% off. I have heard mixed reviews about the soldering iron. In recent comments say it's actually pretty solid. You just have to know its limitations as far as what it can do. Otherwise, you might be disappointed compared to regular plug-in style soldering irons. And the next M12 option is going to be on the M12 oscillating multi-tool, the brush version, with a 2 amp hour battery for the $106, saving $82, 44% off. And they brought back a deal again on the 6 amp hour high output battery with the charger for $139, saving $60, 30% off. And for $275, you could pick up the orbital sawzall with one 5 amp hour battery for the $275, saving $164, 37% off. I think they're gonna have better options than this one actually. And then next up is the M18 of the 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer with one 5 amp hour battery for the $324, saving $184, 36% off. And here is a good deal on the Milwaukee M18. It's on the hammer drill and impact driver with 3 5 amp hour batteries and the charger and the Rocket Light for $455. That's saving $362. That's 44% off. And the way I look at this deal, they've had this 2-tool combo kit forever, basically at $399 with the 3 batteries. The deal price was $399 to include the extra 5 amp hour battery because it normally comes with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries. So technically for this week, for the additional $55, you're getting that Rocket Light. So that is a good deal on it. Next up is going to be on the Ridgid 18-volt 6-tool combo kit with a 6 amp hour and 2 amp hour max output batteries for the $349, saving $350. That's 50% off. That is going to be a good deal on that kit. It does include the oscillating multi-tool, the recip saw, hammer drill, impact driver, grinder, and the circular saw. So it is a good, well-rounded kit to start off with for only $349. Next up is going to be a deal on the 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries from Ridgid and 2 chargers for the $63, saving $175, 74% off. Also from Ridgid, they have the D-handle jigsaw with the 18-gauge brad nailer for the $279, saving $119, 30% off. And the next Ridgid option is going to be on the 10-tool combo kit with a 2 amp hour max output battery as well as a 4 amp hour one for $569, saving $230. That's 29% off. And here is a great deal on the Milwaukee Forge 6.0 batteries. It's a quantity of 2 of them for the $249, saving $209, 46% off. I think this is the lowest we've seen for the 2-pack of them. It's an excellent deal. The price of the battery by themselves is, I think, around $229. So it's an excellent deal to get 2 of them for only additional $20. Next up is another deal on the recip saw with the pack out, one 5 amp hour battery and the charger for $239. This is why I said to wait for the other one when I mentioned the one above. It's only $239 and it includes that pack out case, and you're saving $310, 56% off. It's an excellent deal. And they even brought back a deal on the 1-inch impact wrench with the D handle. This time they have it with the 2 Forge batteries, which are 12 amp hour ones, and the charger for $868, saving $631, 42% off. Another 1-inch impact wrench option they have is for $449, saving $450. It is going to be tool only. It is saving 50% this week. And they did bring back a deal on the bucket top misting fan from Ryobi for only 49 bucks. It's saving $30. That's 38% off. And again, as I mentioned earlier, they also have pretty decent savings on the different mini split systems that they offer of various brands. So if you happen to be in the market for a mini split, be sure to check them out. Some good savings. Most of these do come pre-charged to where you don't need special equipment to connect them. So be sure to check them out. Otherwise, all systems will come pre-charged at the unit, but you would have to have the special vacuum to be able to pull a vacuum and then release the charge that's in the condenser unit itself. So some good options there. So if you did get any value from this video, I really do appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, especially all the way to the end. And again, I will have affiliate link down in the description below. I'll take you right to this page. I will make a small commission on it. And the best part is it won't cost you any more money, but it does help support the channel and me bringing these deals to you. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Crasher out.